Hi guys, here I have air purifier from Dreo company, and here as you can see, this is the package, and this is the top part with the name Dreo, and the product name is True HEPA Air Purifier All Weather Health Guard. So as you can see, this is the picture, and here's the package where you can get more info on their website, which is www.dreo.com. and here's another side of this product features, which is 360-degree filtration and 20 dB quiet performance. And here as you can see, 273 feet, it's gonna cover 4.8 ACPH inch or 273 square feet. It covers this purifier, which means most likely half of the house. So auto sense technology. So, and here is another side of this purifier's pictures. So, and it has another apologize for all these labels that I couldn't take it off, so but I'm gonna explain it to you, which is here as you can see, these are the signs, like it's works on upside, and it's gonna work on a sunny day, all weather, on a rainy day, and it's this means it's a health safety. It has all this health safety guides. So input is 120 by 60 HZ 1.0A. If you can take a close look, so rated power is 36W. So I'm gonna take a close shot so it's gonna be easier for you guys to understand. So rated power is 36 watt. Effective range is 273 feet square and 25.4 meters square. ACPH is 4.8, 273 feet square, and CADR is 176. Sound level 20.54 dB. Dimensions is 9.84 inch, 9.84 and 15.2 inch, 250, 386 millimeter, and weight is almost 7.3 pound, 3.3 kg. As you can take a look, it's under this paper. So, and it has household use only. So it's and it has also warning cancer and reproductive harm. Warning cancer and reproductive harm, www.p65warnings.ca.gov. So which says FCC compliance. This device complies with part 15 of the FCC rules. Operation is subject to the following two conditions: this device may not cause harmful interference, and number two, this device must accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired operation. So that's a little warning or specification about this product. So I'm going to unbox this product now to see what other parts is included. So first of all, here is our charger. So I'm gonna quickly take it off. So this is the power cable or the adapter, what do you call? So here it is with the direct power outlet. And here is the main product, as you can see. So which is saying using your air purifier and here is their warranty book or quick guidebook, whatever you say. So here it is. Okay, this is their user manual Dreo Air Purifier, and here's the thank you for choosing Dreo, and it has 5 years warranty. To enter your website or scan this QR code, and for longer warranty, which is 5 years. So do not return to store all this information. So I'm gonna put it on the side. So here is the manual guide. So here is the filter reset button, filter change, timer button, sleep mode button, manual mode button. So this is the top part of this main product, which is the air purifier. As you can see, it has these functions. Okay, so now probably you can see it clear now. So here it is, filter reset button, which is okay, this is more easier. Here is the picture of the front top part of this purifier, and here is these features. So here is this one is filter reset button. If we have to reset this filter in case the filter is full, then we can hold this button and then long press like 5 seconds to reset the filter change reminder. And here is the lock button, child lock button, which is if we press like 3 seconds to lock or unlock the buttons. So which is really safe for who has kids at home. Like I have toddlers, so they always try to press this button. So it's really safe for kids house. And timer button is here. If you see this clock sign, which is to select a time to turn off after 2 hour or 4 hour or 8 hour as we desire. So it doesn't have to be running all day long, so we can just choose 2 hour, 4 hour or 8 hour. And here is the turbo, as you can see. So all these buttons has their light. So when I'm gonna connect to the power to show you guys how it looks like. So this turbo is select to purify the air at the highest power setting. And here is this sleep mode button, select to purify the air at the most silent power setting. And here it is, auto mode button, speed adjusts automatically based on air quality level. And here's manual mode button, select to purify the air with adjustable fan speeds. And here it is, power button to on and off. So here is the product pretty much. So now I'm going to show you guys how it looks like from the side. This is pretty much the air circulation goes on and off, in and out. So here it is. Here is the product. As you can see, these are the side. So I'm going to upside down it to see. So here is the bottom part of this product, and it's sealed with this plastic. So I'm gonna take it off, and as you can see, it has this close and open signs. So this side is open, so I opened it. So now this is the filter. So then it comes out. Here it is. This is the main filter. So before we use, we have to take this off in order to use. So I'm going to use, so that's why I'm taking off this plastic to show you guys. Here is this filter looks like from this inside. Here, as you can see, so this is washable. Every time we need to reset it or clean it, we can always take it off and clean it. So here it is, I close it. So now I'm going to connect it with the power and show you guys how it's gonna work. Let's see. So guys, here you can see here's the air purifier. So I'm going to set up again to show you guys how it's gonna work. So this is the bottom part, this is the filter, put it in, and the bottom part, lock it, close. So here it is. I'm going to plug it in. So as you can see, this has a little hole to plug this in. So here it is, and we can easily open this. So as you can see, the power is on and it makes a little beep sound, so which means it's on power. So now I'm gonna turn on this power on button, so which means it's on now. As you can see, here is this blinking light, and it has 4 different lights, which is gonna give us the idea what kind of air it's sucking in. So which means air quality indicator light, and these are the air outlet. As I put my hands on, so air circulating, I can feel it. And so as you see, here's the buttons. I'm going to show you now. This blue light means excellent air. As you can see, it has this so this blue light, it means excellent air. Green is good, orange is moderate, and red is poor air suction or air quality level. And here, as you can see, if we hold it, it's going to go to sleep mode. And then here is the locked button, so we have to press it for 3 seconds. So then this child lock would be turned on. As you can see, the light is on, which means the child lock is on. So if we need to set it up within 2 hour or 4 hour or 8 hour mode, we have to press it like 5 seconds, then it's gonna be on session 2. Okay. So my child lock button was on, that's why this 2 hour 4 hour button, time setting button, wasn't working. So now, as you can see, I'm holding it for 5 seconds, so it's supposed to work now. Okay, so now the light is blinking. As you see, it's 2 hours, it sets on 2 hours. So that's pretty much ease. And the book recommend to put the air purifier in a flat surface so it doesn't fall, or doesn't make any harmful action. And it needs to be clear from left, right, and top part, like the 5 meter. Its surrounding needs to be clear. of 5 meters. And if we need any extended warranty, we can always visit to dreo.com for more warranty. And every time our filter is full, it's gonna give us this blinking light, and we can always turn off the filter as I showed you earlier and clean it, wash it with the water, dry it, and then use it again. Or we can use vacuum to suck it in and clean. We can do it like every 2 or 4 weeks. So that's kind of this look. So as you can see, my this side, the top side, left side, left, right side is clear, so the air circulation doesn't stopped by anything. So, and its manual book says whenever the air purifier is on mode, so our window and door needs to be closed. It couldn't be open, so then the air would be in and out, so it's not gonna work to purify the air. So that's gonna pretty much help to filter any kind of mold or bacteria and germs or pollen. Like usually in the United States, there's a lot of people allergic from pollen during the fall season, so and the dust. So this air purifier gonna help to clean the home indoor air. So that's another benefits of having these kinds of air purifier at home, especially where child and elderly is living. And here it also has it also captures larger airborne particles such as dust, lean fibers, and pet hair. It's 99.97% of fine particles such as dust, mites, pet hair, mold, spores, and pollen. High efficiency activated carbon filter removes chlorine, sediments, VOCs, and odors from the air. So it also recommends here, as you can see in the book, to keep the doors and windows closed when the air purifier is on. Do not block the air opening. Maintain and replace the filters if the indoor air quality is bad or you would like to speed up the purifier. And I was telling you for its so here it is, its settings. And it should be on the surface, and it should be 15-inch and 15-inch clear from both sides, and clear surface position, flat, stable. That's pretty much it is. And it's friendly, kids friendly, and pets friendly air purifier. It's not gonna harm. As you can see, its packaging is really good, which I like. So even if kids put their fingers in, so it's not gonna harm harm kids or pets. So that's really convenient. I really recommend it, and thanks for watching.